Alright, I'm going to make a video on changing the chain case oil on this 2009 Skidoo Rev XP. Well, let's get right into it. First we can just pull the side panel off. Now we can just pull the can off and get that out of the way. Makes it a lot easier. I just use I made this special screwdriver hook for pulling the springs loose. You can also use just a pair of pliers. Okay, so now we just want to put a drain pan right under there. The oil just leaks out the little hole down there. We'll just take all the 10mm head bolts out of the cover. And we gotta take the speed sensor plug loose. Okay, got all the bolts out. It's all oil draining out. Just pull the cover all the way. And just like that, the cover's off. Now we can inspect the tension and inspect the chain and sprockets, make sure that everything's looks good. Okay, so I got the chain tension where I want it. Now, and I wiped out the bottom here with a rag, and I wiped off these magnets. Those are for the speedometer. So there's a little bit of metal shavings on them. So now we can just wipe off, the sealing surface all around it. I wiped off the cover already, and pop this plug out the top there for filling the oil later. Just pops right out and fill the oil through there. Alright, we got all the bolts back in. We got them all tightened down. I like to use a swivelly socket for these bottom ones, or all of them, makes it easy. Now, got to pull that plug out, the oil level plug. I use a 5/16 12-sided socket. It's right on there. Right out. Make sure you want to clean all this metal shavings and grime off there. Alright, so I got the speed sensor plugged back in. Now we can start filling it with oil. So I got the plug out down there. We're just going to fill till oil starts coming out of there. And we got it. Okay, so we filled it till oil started coming out down here. Then we can put the plug back on. The oil I used, it's a synthetic 7590 gear oil. Everybody recommends using different things. You can use this Skidoo oil or this, or some people say ATF. This is what I go with. So got the plug tightened down. Now we can put this plug back in the top here. Use a screwdriver, pry that in. Then we'll put the can back on, and that'll be it. Got the plug in, the can on, and you can close it up. Alright, thanks for watching the video.